Thing's freaking huge. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Rob with Extreme Performance. That's Extreme with 3 X's. And today's the day that we finally put the intake on the Eclipse. Just so y'all can see this thing. It's pretty big. So sit back, relax, and we also have a busy plan today. We have a car show that we're going to, and since I came down here, I've actually joined a car club. So let's see how this works out, alright? So here we go. We're about to take the old intake off of the Eclipse. You see what I'm saying? It's about time for some upgrades. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to take this thing off, and once I do that, we can actually see a comparison compared to how big or small this intake is compared to the one that I have. Well, we'll be putting it on with. So like I said, first thing you want to do is take this guy off, which I've already unbolted that guy right there by the turbo. So I can now just pop this off. Ow! That hurt. Like so. And take it out. Now, looking at it compared to the other one, it is definitely a lot smaller. Look at this. Look at that. Look at the small tubing. Look at that. Compared to that. So let's make the big switch. Alright, so the first thing you want to do, transfer over the mass airflow sensor. Now a lot of y'all might be saying, "Oh Rob, you're running open vent on a stock mass airflow sensor on a 2G? You shouldn't be doing that." It's my car, like I said, I do what I want. But nah, on a serious note, it's because I'm planning on switching over to speed density at some point, and a lot of y'all might be saying this is bottlenecking the intake. I know. It's going on to a 16G. I plan on switching over to a bigger turbo at some point later on down the road. So I figure, why waste money on buying another intake when I have one that already has a big enough opening for me in the first place. So here we go. Alright, now this is fully on. It just looks massive. Let's actually put it on Eclipse. And there it is. Finally in with all its glory. Look at that. Thing's freaking huge. I actually had to stuff some stuff around it. But yeah, now I'm going to get myself ready for this meeting. Get a car logo and whatnot. We're going to see how this turns out. Okay, as you can see, it's now later in the day. Sorry I really couldn't film what happened at the meet. But hey, it is what it is. About to go to this car show pretty soon. I'm not gonna look like this though. But yeah. Got my logo. Chose to go black and gold with it. Team Millie ATL, Georgia, High Rollers. Actually looks really nice, I like it. But yeah, that's what it is, and you're about to see some fun stuff later. So what's up? It's still, well, it's not still, but it's the day after. Unfortunately, I didn't go to the show because of personal things that went down and had to take care of. But everything, just to recap, that went down yesterday. Put the FP intake on. Went to a team meeting, put the logo on my car. Oh, and I painted the fender black, so therefore it's no longer looking like Phantom of the Opera. Also even painted the front bumper a little bit too. But it rained here. I'm hoping everything got settled last night, but that'll be a story for another day. And I guess y'all can enjoy the look of the new, well, how the Eclipse looks now. So that's going to include the video for today. It started raining kind of hard out here. I'm wearing a hoodie now. But hope you liked the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell your friends about this. Also, I think if I can get up to 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to do a giveaway on something. I have a bunch of extra parts laying around, so who knows? I might give away a fuel filter, something. I have a bunch of spare parts that I can basically just spare to give. That's probably going to be the next model on this car too anyway. I have two fuel filters and a fuel line. So that's probably going to be the next thing I do. When I do it, I don't know. Sometime soon though. But yeah. Sometime probably within this week. I would probably say Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Sometime around then. Basically when I have the time. But hope you liked the video. Yeah.